Welcome to our comparison of the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 and the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro. In today's video, we will explore the key features, pricing, and overall performance of these two smartphone gimbals to help you decide which one is right for your videography needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 is priced at $149 United States dollars, making it a premium option in the market. On the other hand, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro offers a more budget-friendly price of $79 United States dollars. This significant price difference may influence your decision depending on your budget and the features you need. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 boasts advanced features such as active track, a magnetic phone clamp, and a built-in extension rod, making it ideal for professional videographers. In contrast, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C offers essential features like face/object tracking and gesture control, catering to casual users looking for a portable solution. In terms of build quality, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 is known for its robust and premium construction, ensuring durability during use. The JCROBOT iSleeky L7C, while lightweight and portable, may not offer the same level of sturdiness. This difference may be crucial for users who plan to use their gimbal in various environments. In conclusion, the choice between the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 and the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you require advanced features and superior stabilization, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 is the way to go. However, if you are looking for a more affordable and portable option, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.